Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're about to take us a little ride on the KLX here today. But first, I got these Kimimoto ones that you might have seen in a video about a month or so ago. But finally trying out these socks in the cold, and they're pretty nice. I threw them on. They're nice and warm as is without the heated stuff on. But they come with a little battery pack. It has like a little USB-C dual charger, so each sock has a little battery in it. And another battery in this one, and it's got this little cool little remote which goes from, it looks like you won't be able to see it on the camera, but it has a HML, so I'm guessing high, medium, and low. So we're gonna throw those on high and let them warm up. I can already feel them starting to warm up. It seems like most of the heat's right in this section of the foot, so but it's feeling good. It's feeling nice. So we're going to try those out today and see how they feel. But I'm also going to be rocking these winter gloves here that were sent to me. They're real inexpensive winter gloves. They were like 20 bucks, I think. And they're actually really nice. They have some extra padding on this outside, so it works pretty good in mildly low temperatures. So we're going to be wearing these guys today. Oh, but it's not ridiculously cold today, so I thought it'd be a nice day to take the KLX out. I already let her warm up for a few minutes, so we're gonna hop on here in a second. Damn, these gloves really are pretty warm. Like I said, for like mildly cold temperatures, like I'd say like 40 to 45 degrees. We need to try a wheelie. I did a little one back there, but it's been a minute since I've done a wheelie on the road. A little sketchy. Let's try a third gear right here. Drifted a little to the side. But yeah, today we're going to be going back to some old trails. Like I used to ride here with a buddy back when I was probably 14, 15. So I haven't been here in a while. They very well could be overgrown. I don't know. We're going to go try and check them out. And we'll see what we get here. You never know till you look. Oh, we don't want to be over here. Head back this way. But yeah, I used to come here with a buddy when I was like 14 or 15, and that was back when I had like a little TTR 90 pit bike. He had like a CRF 150F trail bike, and then they had a little extra, like, I think it was either a 50 or a 90cc ATV, China little ATV. It was like a little two-stroke ATV, and that thing was fun, honestly. I would rip that thing every once in a while. So let's go find the entrance here. It's right around here. Here we are. Woo! Locked up the back for a second there. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, just a nice little stretch of power lines. This is just one of the few trails back here that we used to ride. There's a lot of trails back here, or at least there used to be. We'll see what we can find here. Yeah, we got it's like a little runoff. Yeah, we got a little runoff of the river over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that new rear tire and front tire are looking real fresh. Haven't really taken them on a trail yet, so we'll see. Alright, we got some apartments up there, and then I know we used to be able to go this way. You kind of had to cross the creek, so we'll go check that out and see if it's even possible, but it's crazy. Last time I've been here was like 4 years ago, and it was so much less developed. Let's go check out over here. That's neutral. Yeah, I don't know if we're crossing this. Maybe I had it twisted. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Woo! Maybe we used to, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing that today. I don't know. We used to do it further down. Also got that new Oxydo headlight. It's 2 videos back if you missed it. It's the Oxydo LED. Put a new bulb in there, and it's really bright. So good little easy upgrade. It's super easy to install too. Let's check this out. I don't think I'm gonna be doing this today with all this sand, and doesn't really look like a good idea. I don't remember it being this hard looking either. Whew. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's go a little further down and see if there's not some other area to cross. Either they changed this up or I'm in the wrong spot. Whew. Let's see here. Ooh, this looks real muddy. It's getting swampy back here. I don't know. Oof. Yeah, I remember back in the day they kind of took some machines back here to do some work on these apartments, and I guess like grading and type work, and it kind of has never been the same since. But it's not too bad right here, so we'll see. Ooh, look at all those deer over there. Let's go chase them down. Whoa, don't want to running up that hill. Okay, we got alright, that goes back up to the street. Let's check out over here. Woo! Whoa! Whoa, my God. Alright, that's the end of that. Alright, we're gonna get out of this little trail. It doesn't look like this trail has much to offer, but I got one other area I remember that we can try out. There's actually a couple other areas, but some of those areas require you to go like right in someone's backyard, so not gonna be hitting those today. Gate's just open for us. Alright, these next trails we kind of went right under this little bridge. Could be blown out too, but you never know till you check them out, right? Oh my gosh, dude, this is so much different than I remember. Holy cow. Smells like freaking burnt popcorn back here, but there ain't no trails back here. What is that smell, dude? That's nasty. Alright, time to think for a second. I think I got one more idea of some trails we can get to without cutting through someone's yard. And these were pretty good little trails down by like a little cutoff of the river. This is not like the main river, but it's just kind of a runoff, or it runs out into the main river. And there's another little trail that goes along one of these, and hopefully it's not super overgrown. There used to be people that ride and kept them up. Like this was a whole trail at one point, but now it's just trees. It's crazy. We're gonna go check out that spot, give it a try. Alright, let's see here. come off down here onto the power lines. This used to be all super overgrown. I'm surprised it's cut right now. Holy cow. Whew. Well, shit. Oh my God. Well, I was trying to drift that turn a little bit and that did not work out. Holy crap. Let's take a breather for a second. Holy shit. I can't wait to watch that one in slow-mo. Holy cow. Damn, we got her dirty today too. My right foot hurts a tiny bit. I know if I didn't have these boots on right now, I would be feeling that, but I'm good right now. I was getting it around that turn and I was like, that was awesome. Let's go drift this one. And yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to replay that. That was, I don't even know what happened. I guess the back wheel just slid out. That was something else though, boys. Holy shit. Bike looks to be alright. I've been surprised with these levers too, for how many diggers I've took with them and they still haven't broke for just some Amazon $30 levers. They feel really good too. I'll link those in the description, everybody, but the same with the foot pegs and everything else I've talked about this video. But holy cow. Well, I think we're good. Let's keep rolling on here and check for some trails. Well, she still starts. That's a good sign. I can't see my back, but I think my back is probably tore up real dirty. I think we did take a little damage there. My shifter's bent in a tiny bit. It looks like it will. No, it won't. No, it doesn't want to go up before neutral. So it looks like it bent in just a tiny bit. I'm going to see if I can't limp it over here and just see if there's any of these trails that I was thinking of, because we're real close right now and I just want to check. Okay, we made it up into second, but I think I'm hitting the case right there, so I don't want to really shift too much. Let's just go back here and check while we're over here. Yeah, this is the other part where we used to come all the time on the little pit bikes, because my buddy used to live over in this area. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this thing at second and not shift it too much. I don't want to scrape anything up. Alright, it might have been right here. Or it might have been one more down. Now they got all this shit in here. It's changed so much. Yeah, over here is where it was. I think it went in like right there. Maybe right here. Okay, there's some type of little trail. Let's see. Oh my God, so overgrown. This has been a day. Check out over here while we're over here too. Oh yeah, this just goes over to the river. I do remember this. Someone's yelling at me. He said, "Yo, dirt bike boy." I can't see him though. But alright everybody, this has been somewhat of a failed day of trail riding. I crashed, didn't find the trails I was really looking for. I mean, we got out here, but didn't really find those specific trails I wanted to find. But at least we looked. Like I said, you never know until you look. So we checked it out. It's not really a place I'd probably be coming back to. I mean, it's close by the house, so maybe I'll come back here a little bit. But not that great of trails. I'm actually going to the Florida Keys here in like 2-3 hours, so getting on a plane in about 2 or 3 hours and going to the Keys, gonna get some warm weather. But just wanted to get out here and get a little video before I left, trying to explore some new trails. And well, we jerried her and kind of crashed, but at least it's only the shifter that's bent in just very slightly, so I'll take that. I can bend that in myself. So be sure to go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for more videos, everybody. I'll be back with another one soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Links in the description for everything I've talked about this video. So see y'all later.